let's start to find a comfortable seat, right? And make sure that you are actually comfortable. Maybe sitting on something. Sometimes just elevating the hips just a little bit is enough. So a rolled towel or blanket, a yoga block, or obviously if you wanted to sit in a chair or in your bed, at the edge of your bed or at the edge of your couch, that's cool too. And then palms facing down is a little bit more grounding, right? It actually feels more grounding because you're gently pushing against the legs. Palms facing up is a little bit more receiving. So you can do what sounds more appealing, or you can just do what physically feels better in your body. And then let's just take a few little shoulder rolls, rolling the shoulders down away from the ears. Good. And then drop your chin toward your chest and just rock the head out a little bit. Getting into any tension in the neck and down through the shoulders, maybe from how you slept. And then let your head come back to center. Good. And just circle out through the wrists just a couple times, and let's go in the opposite direction. Go ahead and open and close the fist a few times, and then flex and extend through the wrist. Good. Bring your hands to your outer knees. As you inhale, peel the heart forward, arch the back, and gaze up. And then exhale and just round into your spine. Bring your chin to your throat. Inhale, heart peels forward. Just 2 more of these, and then we'll start. And exhale, round. 1 more. Inhale, heart forward, arch. And exhale, round. Good. All right, so sitting up tall and allowing the eyes to close. So just take the first few moments to allow your body to settle into this position. And allow the focus to come to the breath. Breathing in and out through the nose if possible. And let's begin to think of the breath as the waves of the ocean, right? Think of the waves of the ocean on a really calm day. So the wave starts to build up gently out there in the ocean, and it starts to roll toward the shore. As it gets to the shore, there's this tiny pause before it goes right back out toward the ocean, starting to build up into a wave, and there's this tiny pause before it rolls back out toward the shore. Calm, steady, strong breath. And just like the ocean, your breath is fluid. So even though there's that tiny pause, it's almost unnoticeable, right? Your inhale will just flow into your exhale, back into the following inhale. Allow yourself to let go of the before and after. And just give yourself this gift of the present moment. Reminding yourself that you have carved out this time for this beautiful practice of mindfulness. So when the mind starts to wander off to the thousands of things you probably have to do today, right, just allow yourself to come back to that breath. Strong, calm, and steady. As you inhale, feel that lift of energy in the body. And as you exhale, allow yourself to ground a little bit deeper into the earth, feeling that connection. As the breath rolls in and out like the waves, imagine what it feels like to be there on a really beautiful sunny day. Feeling the warmth of sun on your skin, the gentle breeze, the smell of the salt air. The taste of that salt air. The feeling of the sand, gritty yet soft. Forgiving yet supportive. And the ocean, just like your breath, calm yet strong. And for the rest of today, allow yourself to stay immersed in that beauty of the ocean, knowing that it's a part of you, it's your breath. So if things start to feel stressful at some point or out of control, just coming back to this calm, steady, strong breath. Reminding yourself that it is always available to you. No matter where you are, no matter what you're doing, you have access to this breath. It's always there. Allow your chin to drop down toward your throat. Bring your hands to meet at your heart center, representing balance and harmony. Just take this time to thank and honor yourself for doing something positive for your mind and your spirit. And I thank you for showing up each morning with us. It's our honor to guide you. May you slow things down and find peace. May you appreciate life and all of its simple treasures. Pura Vida. I bow to the light and love in you that is the light and love in me. Namaste.